I will be unboxing another gadget that I purchased from an online shopping app. I've ordered this from TEMU, a smartwatch with red and yellow camouflage silicone belt color. It has great features, but what catches my attention is the design and the color that blends together. And adding the flashlight and the compass features well, I may say it is really worth buying for. And if you are a fan of G-Shock watches, then you will notice the design is very similar. So inside the box, first impression, I am amazed with the build quality. It seems to be a premium made. The weight is very light and it doesn't feel cheap at all. On this side you will have the shortcut keys for flashlight button, system key, sports mode key, and the SOS key. And later, I will demonstrate how this buttons works. Underneath is the speaker and the magnetic charging port. So on this side is the screen, on and off button, power button, and the menu key or return key. And please do watch till the end as I demonstrate the function each of this buttons. Actually, you can turn on or off the device by doing long press any of this button on this side. This QR code will be used to bind the smartwatch and the app. And if you do have smartwatches with the same application, just unbind the connected device, and you can bind the new one, just by Bluetooth. Just a reminder that the Shake photograph will work only if you will use the Fit Pro app. Tapping the screen doesn't work for wake-up function. You may press any of those buttons for wake-up function, or enable the raise to wake-up function in the app, so whenever you raise your hand, the screen will light up. Another great features as well is this Find Your Watch or phone vice versa in case you misplaced it. Of course, it will work only if the Bluetooth is open and it is within the area of Bluetooth parameter. And these are the watch faces choices. You may change by doing press and hold the home screen, or you may check the settings. In Homepage, swipe from right to access split-screen display menu function. Slides down from the top to access control panel shortcuts. Slides up from down to access notification. In Homepage, swipe from left to access some of the health menu activities and function. So it's time to familiarize the buttons. Do short press to turn on or off the flashlight. In the settings, there are choices for light modes, and this how it works. This button, do short press to access sports mode key. And if you do long press, you will access the SOS key. The SOS function will directly dial your emergency contact from your phone, but this is effective only if the smartwatch and the smartphone is connected. On this side, if you do short press this button, you will access the menu key at the same time. This is also for return key. And if you do long press, turn off, restart and reset button appears, but you cannot turn on this device on this button. And how to change menu style? In settings, you have 4 options, and this how it looks like. Another great function of this smartwatch is the compass. This device is really great for hikers. With this compass and flashlight function, I may say this makes it a perfect company for adventures. Actually, all buttons can serve as wake-up button, but only this button can turn off the screen. But in the settings, you may set the time how long the screen is awake. And if you do long press, means accessing the power button. Though the other button has the same features, I'm talking about the button down. But only this button can turn on the device. Well, if you will ask me about the battery life, all I can say is excellent. 3 days since I charge. And still it has 50% of the battery power left. Design-wise, it's a big check. For fashion style, it's a big check. Battery endurance, it's a big check. Indeed, it is really worth buying for. And how was that flashlight function? Your thoughts is highly appreciated. You may comment down below. And that's it. If you're reached till this video, thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe.